Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 7. The Line of Entrenchments. On the 17th of the month Khusrawi of the year Sarab 1217 from the birth of Muhammad at Salamabad, I had a dream. The army of the Sarkar-e-Ahmadi seemed to have built a line of entrenchments for besieging a fort within which were the progeny of Nizam Ali Khan and the son of Basalat Jung. The people within the fort were suing for mercy. I had planned excellent stratagems, and I was looking after the line of entrenchments. At this stage I woke up. I had this dream while resting before the departure of Qutbuddin Khan and Ali Raza to Nizam Ali Khan. End of Dream 7.